We're making pancake this morning, not from scratch, but we're using the pack one. But for a normal one, regular pancake from scratch, it will be flour, baking powder, milk, salt. You put in your vanilla, almond, cinnamon, that's a little tips. Almond, cinnamon, and your beet. Let me get some light. So we're beating the eggs and we're gonna put in cake mix. Depends on how much you're doing. Alright. So we're stirring. So I'm using my almond milk. So you mix it until it's able to run, not too heavy. It's a smooth consistency, very smooth, that you'll be able to form. So we do it until it is very smooth. Almost ready. Looks like it's ready. Just want it to get a bit smoother. Should I use my wooden spoon or whatever? I'm just showing you that you don't have to have all the utensils. I have it, but I don't have to use it all the time. So we're gonna make some fancy one this morning, because I'm gonna pull out my waffle maker. It's gonna be beautiful. Cakes have a twist. It's a Jamaican twist. These are plantains, but when it gets ripe and really ripe and you can't use it again to fry, you just crush it up like this. We crush it to a smooth pulp, smooth, and then you just add it to your pancake mix. So we have plantain pancake. That's our Jamaican twist to this pancake mix. So this will be different from ordinary pancake. Yes, sirree, Bob. So we're gonna get our waffle maker ready. We spray. Spray both sides. This is olive oil spray. So you close it and wait on it to say ready. So now my waffle maker is ready, and I'm gonna pour in some in the middle there. And you close it down and you turn it over. Alright. Cutting up some plantain to enhance my breakfast this morning. We don't have a menu. We're freestyling, whatever. We just go along with it this morning. So I'm at pancake and plantain, and I have some eggs. I think that would be a good breakfast. So just come with me for the ride. I'm waiting on my pancakes. I'm frying some plantain and egg. Yes. We're gonna fry some plantain. And I use my virgin coconut oil. Yes, sir. So we are scrambling eggs to go with our plantain. Yes, that's our egg. Just salt and pepper. Take away the oil. There you have it. My scrambled eggs are ready, and I'm ready to serve. Yes, sir. So I'm preparing some fruit to put on my pancake. Presentation is key. You start eating with your eyes before you eat with your mouth. So we're gonna fix it up pretty. Blackberry, raspberry, and blueberry. That's what we have this morning. So we're preparing some to put on it. So we're giving it the finishing touch with a little whipped cream on top. So there you have it. My pancake, scrambled egg and plantain. Enjoy!